y'all? It's me. It's the N.D.T show. And you know what time it is? Folks, it is time to show you a train ride of Cinderella, the Dollywood Express locomotive train ride through Dollywood. Christmas 2024 lights. It is a little dark. I don't know if you can see a lot of stuff or not. I apologize for that. Anyway, we take a ride on Cinderella during this year, 2024, to see the Christmas lights throughout the theme park, Dollywood. So let's take a peek. You want to?
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Welcome aboard the Dollywood Express.
We're all clear, and we may be pulling out of the depot at any moment. As we get ready to depart, let me remind you of a couple of the safety rules you will need to know for our trip today. Please remember to remain seated at all times. This does include small...
Come on, keep pushing. We got it going now. Come on, push. All right, give yourselves a round of applause. That's fantastic. Also, on the left side depot, right by our depot master sits there on the left way director. Probably won't see him in a day or two or week at the most, but we have never been gone longer than a week. Bye-bye, Cinderella. Bye. We're Dollywood before one of the first place in the smoke. We like to keep it that way. So the count of three. Let's all say howdy on three. Everybody on three say howdy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Howdy! All right, get your hands up. Let these fine folks out there. Come on, let's say howdy. Come on, way there. Bollywood Express, and that's right, Christmas music. Hello everybody, happy holidays. these mountains, the place of the blue smoke. And that's the habitat of more flowering fancy trees than anywhere else in the United States. We live in the area of over 200 different species of birds. Before people will ever any song or story that we see or we have eyes. We now reach the top of the Zion Mountain summit, putting around this loop and right back down to where we started from. Now folks, look to the right side, everybody quit, look around the right side, everybody look on the right side. Trees. Dollywood is really proud of Cinderella and the guys that walk with her. So much so we like to show off every once in a while. So what we said, we want to go like this, the music on that Baldwin Locomotive Works.
When you used to talk, tell the
Let's give the music on the whistle. I'm the only one who's going to tell that music in. I'll blow over that whistle. Y'all ready? 1, 2, 3, whistle.
I want that snowman.
Cinderella thing. Thank you very much. Now folks, we're coming to the most dangerous part of the entire journey. Up on the left side is snow bear country. Now we're going through the snow bear country. These are wild animals. We've got them trained for the most part, but they still are wild. So as you go through, don't make any sudden movements, make any noises, don't throw any food at them, especially don't look at them in the eyes. As we go through there, you can take all the pictures you want, but don't make any sudden movements. Please be quiet as you go through here. These snow bears are still wild animals. We don't know what they'll do sometimes. Be very careful, folks. Be very careful. These are snow bears. They're very dangerous sometimes. That's the case for the most part. These are big snow bears that's being in the most dangerous of all of them. So be careful as you go by here, right down here on the left side. These are the bad guys right here. Be careful, folks. Be careful. Watch out. Watch out. We made it. I said, oh yeah, we made it. Give yourself a round of applause. Well, time to do what everybody looks for. Just the song we're going to sing. The first song is called Everybody sing. Come on, Bill. Raise you up a little bit. Warm yourself up. Come on, first thing.
Making spirits bright.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
looks today just like it did when it was first built in 1938. On a busy day, Cinderella will use 5 tons of coal, bring 5,000 gallons of water, and bring between 4,000 to 6,000 people up and down this mountain. We here at Dollywood are really proud of Cinderella and the guys and gals who operate her. Hope y'all enjoyed traveling behind her just as much as we did. Get those voices tuned up one more time. Here we go. The old fun crossing for the last time on this trip. As we go through the crossing this time, everybody gets your hands up, waving these fine folks out there. Show them a little something hospitality. Hey, places that homecoming between ways to know for a homecoming between ways. There's probably 200 or 300 people at the crossing on the left and right, so wave at them as we go through. The way down we start the long one, that's where the barn school is located. It's a giant swing if you like those kinds of rides. Wave to these folks on the left and right side. One crossing, I bet there's 200 or 300 people out there. What about all? We don't wait back. Look at all these folks out here. I told you we got some good. Look at all these folks out here. Man, there's got to be at least 2. Wait a minute. There's got to be about 15 people out here. We're going to do the main crossing the last time on this trip. This time as loud as we can. All people we want to say howdy because the loudest train there. Hey, Miss Lillian, how you doing down there? How you doing? On the count of 3, out of 10, 4, please say howdy on 3. They'll allow us to say everybody on 3 say howdy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Howdy! One more time. 1, 2, 3. Howdy! How about a yee-haw on 3? 1, 2, 3. Howdy! One more time. 1, 2, 3. Howdy! Yee-haw! Uh-oh. I think this up to the anybody back in the water? Over on the right, that green piece of house called the Rock and Roll for the whole family. Country Fair on the left. Now we go by the swings on the left. If there's anybody on the swings going way better as your car goes by, see if they'll way back. Anybody on the swings going way back, see if they'll way back at you. Country Fair on the left.
That wraps it up from N.D.T. show out there in the world. Women, baby. Good morning, good day, and good night. Thanks, y'all, for watching an exciting episode of the N.D.T. Show. We'll catch you on the next one.